everyone, it's Nadia Dyson here. Today I am at Sugar Ridge. I'm here to show you the brand new condos, Ocean Breezes at Sugar Ridge. Let's go and have a look inside. That is a beautiful front door. The height is higher than a normal front door, so it really gives a feeling of space. And then you walk into the condo and you're greeted by a wall of glass. So you have this amazing view. Let's go take a look. The kitchen has beautiful marble countertops, 1 inch in thickness, lovely white drawers with everything that you need in your kitchen. It's got the dishwasher, double fridge, and there is a washer and dryer. I do like a good washer and dryer, and this is a beautiful set from Samsung. You have a water filter and one here as well. Lots of space for all your groceries. So here you can see out to the ocean at Valley Church Beach, and down below is the communal swimming pool. So when you purchase one of the Ocean Breeze condos, you get used to the swimming pool and the gym. This is a great outside space if you want to dine outside, and you have this lovely view. Leading off from the kitchen and living room is this really large hallway which takes you onto 2 bedrooms. Let's go and have a look at the primary bedroom. Beautiful king size bed and storage here and a nice little chair here, and then you have your ensuite bathroom. The bathroom is really nice and bright. It has white tiles everywhere and then really nice black matte fixtures and fittings. What a view! All the wardrobes have LED lights. Great amount of storage. And you get to see yourself all the time. Let's go and have a look at bedroom 2. This is a beautiful sized bedroom. It's the second bedroom in the property, and it has a nice double bed. It has wardrobes, AC and a fan. Now at the moment we're in these units and they've only just been furnished, so all of the bedrooms will have sideboards and a TV. This bedroom has a very easy accessible bathroom just outside. The bathroom here is very similar to the primary bedroom bathroom. It has the white tiles and the matte black fixtures and fittings. There are 28 Ocean Breeze condos available to purchase at Sugar Ridge. Each of the units is about 1,200 square foot, all with 10-foot high ceilings. They're 2 bedroom, 2 bathrooms. They have a beautiful outdoor terrace, perfect for dining and looking at the views. We're located on the west coast of Antigua and just 5 minutes from Jolly Harbour, where you have all the amenities. Sugar Ridge has a communal swimming pool that you can use, a state-of-the-art gym, and also Rokuni, which is a fabulous Thai fusion restaurant opening very soon. So if you're interested in becoming part of the community here at Sugar Ridge, then contact us today at info@luxurylocations.com. We hope you like this video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to the channel below.